Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video because it's Barda Day, darling. It's Barda Day. So without further ado, let's start this. Anong atake dito? Diyos ko, may mga interview pala before na palang nagko-connect talaga doon sa mga nangyayari sa McDo.
Ang kahanga-hanga, ang inyong pagiging magkaibigan. Talk about that friendship.
I think there's a mutual respect na...
Mutual respect.
Diba, like, we're workmates and we respect each other's, you know, like, private lives.
Ay, ano nangyari?
Lives and our work life. Kunwari, may problema ako sa... Tino mo, diba? Kapag may problema ako...
Dancer ka talaga.
Yes, tinutulungan niya ako, Tito Boy. Eh, since mahihain nga ako, siya yung parang... Kaya man, ganun. So,
She's a type.
Yeah, she's a type talaga.
Galing.
She helps me a lot. Kaya super grateful for Barbie talaga.
Can you tell Barbie anything?
Siguro this one.
I know that's a big question.
Yeah. What do you mean? Sorry.
I mean big. I mean anything.
Are you asking me to like?
No. I mean, can you, pag kayo lang ni Barbie, nasasabi mo ang lahat?
Medyo, pero hindi naman lahat.
No,
Ay, ba't hindi sinasabi lahat?
Alright.
Kailangan sabihin lahat.
Relationships, for example.
I think so, minsan.
Does she
Ay.
confide in you?
Bakit hindi ko pa ito napanood?
Does she give her opinions? Or ikaw, vice versa?
Yeah.
Ay,
Oo.
She does.
Kasi, I've read a lot of stories na napaka-supportive din ni Barbie sa'yo.
Barbie.
Napaka-supportive talaga.
Yeah, she understands me a lot.
She does.
Yeah.
Oo. And siya rin.
Of course, I understand her.
Okay, that kind of love, sa maikling pamamaraan, what is it about?
I think, well, yung character ko si Adam, he is a parang Mr. Perfect guy. Tapos, hirap siya makahanap ng perfect girl, quote-unquote, because he thinks na dapat perfect din. Kailangan yung physical attributes, ganito, ganyan. But actually, I think yung love kasi hindi naman siya yun
okay.
lang. Diba? I think you just have to like let go and like meet people and actually talagang kilalanin mo yung tao. Diba? So, nung na-meet ko si Barbie doon, nagulat ako na ito pala yung klaseng babae yung gusto ko.
Right. Pakihanda niyo yung music kasi sasayo kami uli. Because he's a dancer. Pero naniniwala ka ba, David? Katulad, Barbie plays a dating coach, in the movie. Naniniwala ka ba na kailangan may love muna or nauuna yung requirements? Dapat ganito ang girl or ang guy or you start with, am I falling in love?
Actually, before Tito Boy, sobrang titinan ko yung pagiging good on paper. Yeah. Pero
That has changed.
Yeah, I think there has to be a balance.
Okay.
Dahil, syempre, sila yung makakasama mo for...
Tama.
Diba?
That kind of fast talk.
Okay.
Ay.
Ayan. Ganon. Habang our time begins now. Okay. Maginoo, medyo bastos.
Magino.
Mayaman, guwapo.
Mayaman.
Kissing, cuddling. Camera.
Kissing.
Diretso, paliko-liko.
Diretso.
Mahabang ligawan, mabilisang ligawan.
Mahaba.
Risk taker, heartbreaker.
Risk taker.
Good boy, naughty boy.
Sometimes.
Single, taken.
Ay! Taken?
Should take, okay.
Hindi ka sure doon.
Kinikilig ka kapag
Parang ngayon ko lang ito napanood.
Kapag nakikita ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay,
kinakabang ka kapag
kausap kita, Tito Boy.
Ay,
tinitilian
bakit?
ka kapag
Kapag kumakanta, siya sumasayaw dahil magaling ako
ang
sumayaw.
galing. Nakita namin kanina.
Yes.
Napapakagat labi ka kapag
Kapag?
Alam niyo na.
Alam nyo na.
ideal age to get married.
35, 36.
Ideal woman to love.
Someone who is smart and understanding.
Mila o Clay?
Mila.
Canada, Korea?
Korea.
Dilaw,
Ay!
pula.
Dilaw.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-make out sa sinihan.
Ay!
Guilty.
Oh my
Guilty or
God!
not guilty? Nag-drunk dial ng ex.
Guilty.
Guilty
Ay.
or not guilty? Nakipag-blind date.
Siguro yung message lang dati sa Instagram.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipagsuntukan dahil sa babae.
Siguro ano lang, confrontation lang.
Guilty or not
Confrontation.
guilty, nanligaw ng artista.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nakatulog ng walang suot.
Ay!
Guilty.
Ay,
Lights on
sarap.
or lights off.
Lights on tayo para makita.
Happiness or
Ay!
chocolates.
Chocolates.
Best time for
Atake.
happiness.
Siguro kapag di ako pagod.
Complete this. The
Sana
best
all.
kind of love is...
The best kind of love is understanding and unconditional.
Wow.
Ah.
Yan ang mga
Atake. I love it.
Ano ba talaga ang... I wanna talk also about...
Ay, tapos na yun? Wait, ito
Uy,
pa na.
galingan mo kasi talaga.
Ay, ano to?
Marunong ka ba magbukas? Ano gagawin ko muna?
Cute ni David, lalaking lalaki.
Sige, bibigyan ako.
Cute ni David.
You're ready.
May nailalagay ka ba? Meron.
Okay.
Ang ganda!
Diba?
Ang lambot!
Very natural looking lang.
Next! Tapos na tayo sa blush.
Gusto ko talaga ng lipstick. Okay lang.
Sige! Pula yan mag-ingat ka Okay. I trust you, go. Kung gagawin niyang marker.
Ay! Bakit?
Okay. Trust the process. Sige. Parang bumuboto ka lang
Maganda ka talaga. Kasi
Ay!
hindi mo na kailangan ng kahit ano pang lipstick or makeup or blush or...
Kunwari, dadating siya sa...
Ay, no, panood na natin.
Kung gusto mo
Ay, ano kaya ang bulungan dito? Dito muna tayo mag-focus. Atake. Atake!
Sino yung makakaduwit ko dapat dito?
Ay,
At this point, feeling ko...
Tennis. Good morning!
ay, tata. When laughter. Ay, hindi naman pala kayang saktan for today's video. Chares! What's next? Ay, bakit tapos? Hindi pa nila nalabas yung BTS ng yung pangalawang nila. Tama ba? Ay, baby. Baby talaga siya. Ah, yes, Ginoo. Yes! Hey! Charas! Yes! Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay, ano yun? Ah, ito na. Oo, ito na siya, Sino ang girlfriend ni Ginoo? Sino ang girlfriend niya? Diba? Sino ang babae sa likod ng camera? Just, anyway, so this is for today's video. This is Kiki Mo Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.